Hello, spice lovers. Welcome to Taste and Trivia. In today's video, it's time for the Guess the Spice Trivia quiz. You'll have 35 questions and 8 seconds for each one to choose the correct answer. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next quiz challenge. Ready? Let's get started. Which spice is made from the dried bark of a tree? Cinnamon. It is made from the inner bark of cinnamon trees. Which spice gives curry its bright yellow color? Turmeric. It is known for its vibrant golden yellow color. Which spice is commonly used to season tacos? Cumin. It is a key spice in many taco seasoning blends. Which spice is made from dried flower buds? Cloves. They are the dried flower buds of the clove tree. Which spice is made by drying and grinding red chili peppers? Paprika. It is made from dried sweet red peppers. Which spice comes from the root of a flowering plant? Ginger. It is harvested from the plant's underground root. Which spice is the most expensive by weight? Saffron. It comes from the delicate stigmas of crocus flowers. Which spice comes from dried berries of a vine? Black pepper. Peppercorns are actually dried berries. Which spice is commonly added to pumpkin pie? Cinnamon. It gives pumpkin pie its warm flavor. Which spice grows inside small green pods? Cardamom. Its fragrant seeds are found inside green pods. Which spice is made from the seed of an evergreen tree fruit? Nutmeg. It comes from the seed inside the nutmeg fruit. Which spice is often paired with cinnamon in desserts? Vanilla. It pairs perfectly with cinnamon in sweet recipes. Which spice has a smoky version made from smoked peppers? Paprika. Smoked paprika has a rich smoky flavor. Which spice is famous for its tiny black seeds and strong aroma? Black pepper. It is one of the world's most popular spices. Which spice is commonly used in Indian garam masala? Cumin. It is an essential ingredient in garam masala. Which spice is commonly grated fresh over desserts? Nutmeg. Freshly grated nutmeg adds wonderful flavor. Which spice is known for its warm, sweet aroma? Cinnamon. It is loved for its warm and sweet fragrance. Which spice is made from dried red chili peppers? Chili powder. It is made by grinding dried chili peppers. Which spice is often called the queen of spices? Cardamom. It is often known as the queen of spices. Which spice is commonly used to make pickles? Mustard seeds. They are commonly used in pickling recipes. Which spice is made from dried coriander seeds? Coriander. It comes from the dried seeds of the coriander plant. Which spice has a licorice-like flavor and is often used in Indian cooking? Fennel. Its sweet licorice-like flavor is popular in many dishes. Which spice is commonly used to season dill pickles? Dill. It gives pickles their classic flavor. Which spice is made from dried oregano leaves? Oregano. It's a popular herb used in Mediterranean cooking. Which spice is commonly sprinkled on deviled eggs? Paprika. It adds color and mild flavor to deviled eggs. Which spice is made from dried garlic cloves? Garlic powder. It's made from dehydrated garlic cloves. Which spice is made by drying and grinding onions? Onion powder. It's a convenient seasoning for many recipes. Which spice is commonly used in pumpkin spice blends? Nutmeg. It's one of the key spices in pumpkin spice. Which spice has tiny yellow seeds often used in curries? Mustard seeds. They add flavor and texture to many curry dishes. Which spice is made from the dried leaves of the bay laurel tree? Bay leaves. They add flavor to soups and stews. Which spice is known for its fresh lemon-like aroma? Lemongrass. It has a bright citrus aroma and flavor. Which spice is commonly used on barbecue ribs? Smoked paprika. It adds smoky flavor to barbecue dishes. Which spice is made from tiny blue-gray seeds often used on bagels? Poppy seeds. They're a classic topping for bagels and pastries. Which spice is commonly used in Cajun seasoning? Cayenne pepper. It gives Cajun seasoning its spicy kick. Which spice is often used to flavor gingerbread cookies? Cloves. They help give gingerbread its warm, festive flavor. Great job! How many questions did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching Taste and Trivia. We'll see you in the next quiz challenge.